Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to receive calls or notification from a specific person or persons while your iPhone is in Do Not Disturb mode. First, let's go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on Focus. From here, you're going to tap on Do Not Disturb. Then you will enable Do Not Disturb, and right where you see people, you're going to tap on that. Then from here you'll simply tap on Add, and you'll select the contact that you would still like to receive calls or text notifications from when in Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it. And you can see here in the bottom, also allow calls from, favorites, and you can enable it if you like, or you can tap on no one. I would say no one, as you have already added the persons here in allowed people that you would like to receive calls or notifications from. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.